Two of my closest friends got married today and grabe, sobrang saya ko. As in, joyed? Overjoyed to the max. And clearly, hindi pa ako ready umalis sa dress na to. I made this dress, by the way, and I made it earlier today around 4 a.m. And natapos ko siya mga 8:30. Earrings is by Araw. Glasses is from IXL Clinic. And my makeup is by Angelo Campo. Necklace is from the bride. Necklace bracelet is from Japan, and this is the matching bracelet the bride gave us earlier. And my nail art is from Veve Studio. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll tag them. So they got married today, and grabe lang, na-witness ko yung goodness ni God sa life nilang dalawa. I've been serving with Lalane and Adi for the longest time sa music team, and they're one of the most passionate people when it comes to music, when it comes to serving Christ, and super na-appreciate ko sila dahil sa commitment nila and yung friendship nila. And alam mo yun, kanina grabe lang yung yung feeling na grabe Lord no, ang dami nilang pinagdaanan pero it was all worth it. And that word reminded me na if God says it will happen, and if God says na it will happen now, if God says na eto na yon, ito na yung hinihintay mo, mangyayari siya no matter what. Yes, sometimes the season of waiting is like so hard. Like, Lord, may mangyayari pa ba sa akin? Like, Lord, yung pinagpe-pray ko, mangyayari ba to? Lord, matagal mo nang binigay sa akin yung desire na to, pero bakit parang wala pa rin, you know? But if God says na it's timing na, it will happen no matter what the circumstances are. No matter where season you are, the Lord will make it happen. So, put your faith in Jesus. It's the only way. It's the only way na you can really live a purposeful life, a life worth living. And I'm so happy seeing my friends like witnessing God's promises before our eyes. So, ayun, congratulations.